Hello guys, what's up? What are you doing? Today in my Try My Life, let's talking about my life, who is Andrea Victor Hernandez, my origin, my inspiration. I am from Colombia. I was born in capital of the Norte, Santander, in the city of Cucuta, more recognized as the Pier of the North in the year 1999. I was born in a traditional family that is made up of a man and a woman, and I already have an older brother. My mother's name is Rosa Aider Hernandez Moreno, and she's the main head of the house. My father's name is Luis Eduardo Torres Hernandez, and my older brother's name is Jesus Eduardo Torres. I graduated from Colegio Gremios Unidos in 2018 as an administrative assistant tenant since I was a child. I like education, since many relatives work in the Secretary of the Education. When I was 15 years old, I had my first contact with a new language, which was Portuguese, which for me was a innovative experience. I learned from a new culture, a new way to thinking. I learned history for the Brazil. I learned history for Portugal, but I think I speak Portuguese, but I speak Portuguese as a Brazilian people because I am from to Colombia. I live in America. I For me it's more easy to learn el dialect or accent from the for the for the people speak Portuguese in Brazil because if the Portuguese to Brazil I think is more similar to Spanish, right? Because one is more the this language is as a sing. For example, você, ela. I think it's great. Right now, I am 20 years old. Thank you to God, I speak two languages, which are Portuguese, sign language. Sign language is the language for the people can speak, right? English, I am B1, but I am proving since I wanted to reach a level C1. I am a new language. I am learning which is French, which is a fascinating with the dialect and culture too. My inspiration is to have my own house that is built with my salary, my career. I want to be a teacher to help so many young young people who are having problems and the home drugs, etc. Have my children help my grandparents who have helped many grandparents who due to life situation living on the street or in the poverty. I'm currently studying a degree in linguistics at the university in order to achieve my dream as a teacher. I work for me. I work a few days a week to help pay for university. I work as a kitchen assistant. That is a chef assistant doing some dishes or food recognized in Colombia and in Cucuta such as fritanga. In this job that helped me a lot in how to get ahead and in how to follow my dreams since I urged I helped my mother to pay for university to be a great dialect of the minority in the future. Thank you for your attention. I hope you like my drama life. It's okay. Thank you very much, guy. And I hope that you like. Uh, no, that's it. Thank you very much.